In this video, you will see me react, as well as showing you references from Christian Prince on your screen.
Muhammad, all this time, he have no problem people going around the Kaaba naked. Hello?
It was commanded.
Hello?
Yeah.
Please
Hello?
mute your YouTube if you don't mind.
Okay, just 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay. So sorry because actually the connection of my Wi-Fi is lost. So
No problem.
yeah, I want to actually talk about the thing that you showed me on the Sahih al-Bukhari. Can you show me please it again one more time?
Showed you what? Which one? We spoke about many things.
Sahih al-Bukhari, you know, they told that something like the penis or something like that. Can you show me it, please?
Okay, no problem. Sahih al-Bukhari. What do you think about the Arab going around the Kaaba and they are totally naked? What do you say?
Okay, don't repeat it. Just show me it and I'll show you the meaning of that.
Okay. So you want to talk only about the penises dripping sperm. You don't want to talk about the Arab going naked.
No, just bring that because you're telling something that's not true. You're not understanding the Islam. You're just making fun of Islam. So I'm not.
Okay.
I don't want
go
to.
ahead.
Actually,
It's in the front of. Okay, it's in the front of us. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. It's in the front of us.
No, because you have all the information you got wrong. So that's why people don't want to speak with foolish people. That's why I'm talking.
Right. You are the one who's smart because you believe that.
I'm not. I go to my holy thing and everything. Actually, I'm respecting.
Is it holy to believe that? Is it holy to believe that God will give you endless penis? Is that holy?
Okay, just give me. Don't. Okay, that's I'm telling you because you're telling foolish things. That's why.
Let us see who's the foolish. Go ahead, read. Here we go. The hadith in front of you. Here we go. The hadith here requested.
I'll tell you something. You know Arabic. You know Arabic.
I'm learning. I will learn from you.
Okay.
I go to school sometime.
You're reading Quran and you don't know Arabic. From where you're getting information? You don't know nothing. Don't speak
from the English translation. Isn't this your translation? Isn't this your translation?
Correct.
Isn't this? So are you saying? Are you saying because I do not know Arabic, I will not know the meaning? Are you saying that?
You're just reading some things and you're giving it from your mind. So that's not. Anyone can do that. Anyone can bring the.
Okay, now you are asking me if I know Arabic or not. Are you saying if I do not know Arabic? My friend, are you saying because if somebody do not know Arabic, he will not be able to understand Islam? Are you saying that?
No, I don't mean that.
Because you said to me, do you know Arabic? You said to me, do you know Arabic? So what if I don't know Arabic?
Just 1 minute. Let's speak in a good way. I'm telling you that I know Arabic. Okay.
Okay.
The Quran. It came with Arabic language, but people took the Quran and translated it into different languages. Okay. The other thing I want to say that actually the main language that came, the Quran came with it is Arabic language. Okay.
I see.
There is no any other proof or anything that makes a lie of that. Okay. And if you're making me a lie, you can just tell me a proof that the Quran came in another language.
Okay, as long as you speak Arabic, can you read for us the hadith in Arabic then? Go ahead.
Okay, just 1 minute. No, can you bring? No, this is actually English. Can you bring for me the Arabic?
Yeah, I put it in front of you in Arabic.
Yeah, which the part you want me to read it actually?
Read where it says where it says that there is penises there.
Say yeah, you mean that the page with أحلوا وأصيبوا من النساء قال عطاء قال جابر ولم يعزم عليهم ولكن أحلهن لهم فبلغ أن نقول لما لم يكن بيننا وبين عرفة إلا 5 أمرنا أن نحل إلا نسائنا فنأتي عرفة تقطر مذاكرنا المدى قال ويقول جابر بيده هكذا وحركها فقام رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم.
Okay, that's enough. Okay.
The meaning of that, the first meaning of that, that God gives the opportunity for the people before to come to the Kaaba to be in a clean way. That means that you're saying the meaning of that in a knowledge way that your penis should not have sperm.
Should not have, or should it have?
No, that means that you're like you're having sex with your wife and you're going to Kaaba. The other meaning for that, if you're having a sex with your wife and you're getting in a church, that's not a respecting for the church. Yes or no?
But
yeah, so this is the meaning.
You see in English
The
in front
other
of me,
meaning-
in the front of me. Hold on.
Let
Hold on. So a second, you know, you spoke.
Okay.
Let me talk too. Please. You know, you are smart. I'm learning from you. It says here that what you know, we proceed to Arafat with our male organs dripping with the semen. Is that normal that you are a person who left home?
No, sorry.
Okay.
I have the Arabic way here. Just 1 minute. I have the Arabic, and also.
So you are taking advantage of me because I do not know
I'm
Arabic,
giving
right?
you
You are
the
taking advantage of me. You are
opportunity.
taking advantage of me because I do not know Arabic. So you say to me now the English translation is a lie. You are saying to me the English translation is a lie, correct?
No, because no, that's not a meaning. Go anywhere and ask about, any web and ask about this information. You'll see how the meaning of that.
Okay, but I'm asking you, my friend, is the translation is false? Is the translation is false? Is the translation
different?
The Arabic is different. So because now my Arabic, I don't speak Arabic. So now, okay, so I'm asking you, my friend, is that translation there is accurate or it's wrong?
No, this actually I'm reading in Arabic, so I'm translating you in my.
No, I mean the translation.
Arabic,
the translation in the screen. The translation is the screen. Is that wrong?
I don't know actually. I'm reading in Arabic. The proof is with
my
Arabic.
friend. It's in front of you. The front in front of you.
The Quran came with Arabic. Okay.
Okay. So if we do not know Arabic, we cannot understand the Quran.
No, it's not like that. If you learn Arabic, no problem. Actually,
okay. Well, you know, I decide to go to school. Okay, my friend, Jibril just spoke to me and he taught me Arabic. Let me read for you. It says, أن حين إلى نسائنا فنأتي عرفة تقطر مذاكيرنا المدى. I speak Arabic better than you. So we came to Arafah and our penises are dripping sperms, dripping. ING. So تقطر مذاكيرنا المدى.
Where تقطر? Yeah, مذاكيرنا.
تقطر is now. تقطر is now.
You're speaking Arabic more than good, then.
Okay.
Give me the meaning of that. Okay, give me the meaning.
It's here. It's in the front of you. This is your Muslim translation, and translation is coming accurate.
Give me the meaning. Okay.
I gave you the meaning. We go to Arafah. We go to Arafah. We are in Arafah. We are in Arafah. The meaning is so clear. The meaning is so clear. It says we come to Arafah and our penis is dropping. Dripping sperm.
The problem you're making, actually, I want to know that your knowledge is very, very, very foolish. That's what I'm saying. You actually don't know the meaning in the Arabic. You're telling you're very good in Arabic. Show me the meaning of that.
So why the Muslims?
Show me the meaning.
Okay, why
the meaning?
Hold on. Why this is hold on. Muhammad.
Tell anyone.
Muhammad. It's a miracle. I learned Arabic today. It's a miracle. It's my friend. Why the translation of Muslims? Why the translation of the Muslims done by the Muslims agree with me? Why the translation made by Muslims? Why translation made by Muslims?
The meaning of that.
My friend, I'm asking you. You need to explain to us. It says there we came to Arafat and our male organs dripping.
In English, you're saying that you speak Arabic very good. Okay, where is the meaning? What's?
Let your dad call me. See, that's what they do with you. This is why they want to debate David Wood. You do not know Arabic and blah, 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 blah. You do not know Arabic. In Arabic, it doesn't say that. Blah, 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 blah.